Point Place business has been at a standstill since an EF2 tornado touched down last June, but recently got the okay from City Council to start rebuilding. Megan Hartnett went to the shop to find out what's next. Megan, sounds like persistence and patience were really key here.
That's right, Melissa. Gary's Automotive owner David Thomas says a company was already out today to put up a fence so construction could start, but it took multiple appeals and community support to get things started. When David Thomas found out City Council approved building plans for Gary's Automotive, he was feeling great.
Like a kid in a candy store. I slept for the first time in 13 months last night.
But it wasn't easy getting to this point. Thomas says after the tornado damaged the building, he went to see what insurance would cover in repairs.
We found out within a few weeks that we were underinsured by a lot. Should have been around $1 million, and it was like $600,000.
Thomas has worked to find ways to rebuild within his budget, but to do that, he would have to use materials that are not approved by the zoning department.
It was a cosmetic issue of material of the building. Wasn't on the approved zoning department's list of material, although it's existing material that was on my building.
He had gone to the Planning Commission, then the Board of Zoning Appeals, but both requests were denied.
The last kind of cry for help was coming to council, to our Zoning and Planning Commission.
And after a hearing, close to 70 people calling City Council and others expressing the want for the business, City Council approved the plans. Although there hasn't been business for over a year, Thomas made sure his employees were taken care of.
They weren't even working. He was paying his employees. Who does that in this day and time? Dave did.
Construction is set to start as soon as possible.
We love Point Place, the people in Point Place. We love all our customers all over Toledo, and they're just excited like we are to get back in business.
Thomas says the goal is to be open by October 1st. City Councilperson Teresa Morris and County Commissioner Lisa Sebecki say this is just one example of why it's important to check insurance policies. There are other businesses and people in Point Place who are waiting for roofs and other repairs. Reporting in studio, Megan Hartnett, WTOL 11.